This is a second way to use strong verbs, and you'll notice that in your writing you have a tendency to use the verb is, which we'll later learn is a linking verb, and instead of that we can often substitute a stronger verb, sometimes a stronger verb with an adverb. So if we look at this first sentence here, Miss Mary Lou is a kind teacher. Well, instead of that, let's make, what kind of verb can you use? Well, how about Miss Mary Lou treats all students kindly? So treats kindly instead of is kind. You can see that that's more descriptive. Hermione is a know-it-all. So if you remember Harry Potter, Hermione always wants to give the answer. But what could be an action that demonstrates she's a know-it-all? Hermione waves her hand in the air constantly during class. Harry Potter is not afraid of monsters. Well, what happens if he's not afraid? You might say something like, Harry Potter seeks out danger, including monsters, to fight. So seeks out. Mr. Dennis is a hard worker. You might do something like this. Use the verb toil or labor. Mr. Dennis toils from dawn till dusk, helping make Sterling a great place. Somebody is already a good programmer. Okay? Win, perhaps you might say, Win excels at programming. Or even more descriptive, Win could program his way out of the darkest dungeon. Ronan is a good Ken solver. Might do a description there as well. Ronan can solve Kens with both eyes closed.